In today's video, I have got something brilliant to share with you, and I don't, I don't say that lightly because this method I'm going to be covering with you today is awesome. And if you set this up correctly, you can actually start earning a passive income. So if you like the sound of that, comment passive income below. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a number of resources. These are all free, and you can get this whole method up and running today. Now, the website we're going to need for this method is, sorry, let me find it. It's not this one, this one. Sorry, I found the website. It's called futurepedia.io. Now, this website over here, I'll go to the homepage for you so you can see this. On here, we can see this is the largest AI tools directory and it's updated daily. Okay, so for this method, all we're doing is we're going to this here, this button, tools added today. We click on here and then we scroll down. So we can see here, so far today, none have been added. Well, that's fine. Let's have a look at yesterday. What tools were added yesterday? So there was 9 AI tools. And it's just crazy because there's new AI tools coming out every single day. Now, for this method, we're not looking for, well, let me show you this. So when you search this, it comes down here and it shows you at the top here, it shows you an image about what the product is. It tells you the name of this. It will say over here if somebody has favorited the tool. Then we've got reviews. It'll tell you a bit about this. And then it tells you down here, video generator, what it is. But essentially, look, we can see this here is paid. Okay, that's what we're looking for, paid or freemium as they're called. So this one here is free, this one's free. So we're not bothered in free ones. We are looking for this one here, freemium, all of these, or paid, basically. And how this method works is, so let's go with this one here. This is what is this? A video enhancer. It's freemium. It's just loaded. So I'm going to click on here. I'm going to go over to the website. So this is a video enhancer. And we know it's when it says freemium, what that means is they offer a free account, but then they have paid accounts in there. So what does it do? So it will restore old or low quality videos, why use it, etc. Okay, let's come down here. Frequently asked questions, we offer more. All of that sounds great, but all I'm interested in is this down. Where is it? Have they got an affiliate program? Is the shop there? Look, resources. They have an affiliate program. So it's cool. But let's look at the pricing because we know they've got a free account. Let's look at the pricing, how much we could potentially earn with this. So choose your plan. Come down here. So look, we've got free. We've got 20 cents a credit. So what is a credit? 5 credits a month is 99 cents. Everything in the free. So we can potentially be earning some decent money with this, okay? I'm just double checking this, so everything we're doing. So basically, people get credits. They use a credit every time they're on this website over here, and then we can be earning money from this. So it's pretty cool. And we can see down here, they have an affiliate program. So if we click on here, let's see about this and how much they will pay us. So join affiliate program and receive 30% commission on payouts for every customer you refer to us. So every customer, we will get 30% commission, and we just fill out this form in here and then we're good to go. So that's awesome, okay? So now we know this product has just launched or it's recently been added into Futurepedia over here. Now we also know they have an affiliate program and we know we will earn 30%. So now I'm going to very quickly copy this. So what is this? VMake AI. So what I'm going to do here is get rid of all this like so. And I'm going to, I don't want to do, I'm going to get rid of that bit there. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit on enter. It took me to the home page. That is not where I wanted to go. I wanted to go onto Google. So let me cut that. Let me go on google.com. And I'm going to paste that into here. I'm going to have a look to see. So at this moment in time, we can see it's saying that no one's searching for this. And that's fine, because obviously it's just launched. But what I'm doing is I'm just scrolling down here and just seeing if anyone's done anything with this. So VMake, no. So no one's really done anything with this. So it's just came into the marketplace. So I know now I could go ahead and create content around this. I can be earning 30% commissions from this. And there's not a huge, well, there's literally there's no one really doing this. We've only got 3 pages on Google. Let's go to page 3. Let's have a look. I have no idea what that is. VMake robot. That's the LinkedIn in India. That's not even relevant. Nor this. So a lot of this on here is not relevant. Let's go to page 2. So we can see on here, what is that? Editor. Come down here. So what this is telling me right at this moment in time is, by using this website over here, this Futurepedia, I can find products which have just launched into the marketplace. Okay, I know that they have got an affiliate program, so now comes the part of creating content. So we find products on here, we sign up to their affiliate program. Once we get our affiliate link back, we can then move on to the next step, which is creating content. Now, you have a number of ways that you can do this. So if we come back over to the actual website, we can see they're on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Discord, and YouTube. So all of these down here as well, by the way, these are all potential things we could use for our content that we're going to create. So there's a number of ways that you could do this. So one of the easiest methods for this would be to do YouTube. Now, I know many people don't like the idea of going on YouTube, but you don't have to be on camera if you don't want to. I mean, you don't have to speak. I'd recommend you do, but you don't. You could create videos like what I am doing here, whereby we are recording our screen and you can just talk over this. You can talk about the product, how much it costs. I mean, you could do numerous videos for this. You could do one on the actual product over here. You could say VMake, explain about what it is. You know, it's available over here, X, Y, and Z, number of users, all this good stuff. Okay, you could then do another video on the AI tools inside of here. You could then do one on the templates. You could then do one on the pricing, the resources, and lots more. And it's not just YouTube, by the way. You could do this with YouTube. You could even create, as daft as it sounds, right? Believe me, it may sound daft, but people are doing this method today. I know people are doing this. You could go onto Facebook. You could create your own Facebook group around AI tools or making money with AI or anything like that. And then you could start sharing content into that group with people who are interested in AI, and you could be earning money that way. You could create a website for free. You could literally go on Google and just type in free website build out like so. And then you'll find lots of stuff like this. But basically, you've got Wix, you've got Weebly, you can see here Wix, we've got GoDaddy, create a free website in minutes. We've got Weebly over here, Yola, we've even got Google Pages. And all you're doing is you're creating simple review articles around the product. Because remember, this is only just launched. So there's not a great deal of competition out there for you. And the fact that you can build this up into a passive income is pretty awesome. And look, if you want to take it a step further, I've got a free affiliate marketing course. So if you want to go down below, sign up for that for free. This here, you would use this as your product in the free course. I share with you lots of different products, but this would be your product. You could, there's so many ways. I'm trying like thinking off the top of my head. There's so many ways you could do this. You could go on Quora and you could find people asking questions about this. You could create videos and upload them onto Pinterest. There's lots of ways you can do this. So yeah, that's today's video. That is a simple and an easy way you can be using AI to make money. You could even take it a step further, like what I am doing with this website over here, whereby I have got review articles in here and I've got supporting articles and lots more, and I have AI doing all of this for me. So all of the content that you can see on here, this repurpose, this in video, this Opus Clip review, all of these, I'll show you an example of one. I've not done anything for them. I've literally given a piece of AI some information, and it's created all of this for me. And you can see down here, let's just come into the article. It brings videos in from YouTube. You can see, look, this is the table of contents for the article. It's brilliant. And I don't do anything for that. And that's another way we could use AI. It brings in tables for us. There's lots of stuff. In fact, what I'll do is, if you want to know the software that I'm using for that, I'll put a link to it down below over on the website. We did a full review of this again, so it is over here. This one, it's called AI Wise Mind. You can go ahead and have a look at this. This review page here walks you through everything about it, how it works, pricing, etc. But yeah, this is an awesome little method to build up a passive income using AI. What do you think? Do you like this idea? Do you think it's doable? Well, it is doable. It is doable. And basically, you can do this completely for free. You can sign up. You can come to this website for free. You can become an affiliate for free. You can create content for free. It's just going to take a bit of time and effort. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you soon.